Hi, my name is Ali. I'm a founder and team coordinator at Young Innovators Network. Today, I'm going to share the key features of our events and workshops. Young Innovators Network enables students to make them independent, smarter, and productive learner. Basically, they take charge of their learning and become good in the class and also get high marks in the exam. And how do we do that? We use events and workshops to make them productive learner. We promote passion-driven, interactive and experiential learning approach, which is based on our 3E mentoring program that engage through their passion. We learn what they love to study and then set the environment through interactive workshops to let them experience the learning through real life projects and activities. Basically, we promote that learn those things which add a value to their life. And how do we achieve that purpose? We indirectly encourage them by complimenting them, giving them real. We take them to different special places like universities and corporate offices where they see themselves working or studying there. If you want to know more about our workshop, click the link given in the description below and hopefully see you there in one of